kids, the COVID-19 pandemic has made us all stay at home and go nowhere. And worse, it made us stay out of school. But good news, we will now have the chance to come back to school. But we can only do this if we follow a very strict safety guideline. This video was created for you to know the safe ways and guidelines that we must follow at school. So, guys, this January 2021, for 3 days, we will have face-to-face learning. And for 2 days, we will have online learning. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we will get to see each other in school. And for Thursday and Friday, for our safety, we will do online learning. So, see you at school!
Now, we will divide the video into 7 important reminders as we walk through the simulation for the opening of classes this January. Number 1, before leaving the house. Number 2, upon entry to the school. Number 3, while having classes. Going to the restroom. 5, at tea break. 6, during activity time. And finally at 7, dismissal time.
Remember, students, for all of this to work, we need to be disciplined, we need to respect each other, and we need to have concern for each other for all of us to be safe at school. Remember, you must all follow the people who are in authority at school. That means your teachers and the staff. Remember, guys, if we do this together, we can beat this virus. Let's stay safe.